And so hey, I'm gonna make a review about the Easy Stitch Max sewing machine. A couple of months ago, I bought this little baby at our local store, Ace Hardware, for 4,200 pesos, and I was shocked because when I look it up online, it's just around 1k or 2k. Well, anyway, I had it already, and I already made some DIYs like barrett hat, another barrett hat but smaller, underwears, bras, shirt, and pet carrier. So let's go set up first the Easy Stitch Max sewing machine. That's quite long name, isn't it? Let's just call her Edna.
Edna Mode.
Pardon me for being so stiff. I just got vaccinated, as you can see, and I can't move my arms that well. Well, anyway, that my extension wire is not part of the purchase. Here we go! Setting up Edna is so easy. There are signs where you can put the thread like 1, 2, 3, so on. And we got here adapters and the foot control. We also got here how small you want a stitch to be and the reverse stitch. This one is for the bobbin or thread. If you want to put the bigger thread, you can pull it up. And here's also for the bobbin at the bottom, and there's instruction on what is right or wrong setup. You can remove the, I don't know what it's called, but it's the one who can hold your fabric in place when you sew. And that hole right there is where your lower thread should emerge. And I also have light feature. And this on and off button is for when you're using battery. Oo nga pala, if you want to use battery, you can see the button here. You have to use power, but I don't like it because it's not that efficient with battery. And if you wonder what's the purpose of that black thing there, let me show you what it is. We also have a couple of stitches, a normal stitch, and zigzag, and zigzag, and another zigzag but narrower, and zigzag again. What else do you offer, Edna? Wait, can you notice like she looks like she's being interrogated here? Let's go test her capabilities. You know, I am using my old scarf and then taking the necktie of my father and pinned it as a reference because I don't have a tailor chalk yet. Then cut it and then sew. If you want my honest opinion, I don't recommend you to buy it. No, it's not that bad. Edna can actually sew well, but if you want to start a clothing line business or small fashion online travel, bumili ka ng heavy duty. Traditional or electric, basta heavy duty kasi mas marami kang magagawa. Si Edna kasi, yung maninipis lang yung kaya niya. And with that, it negates all the beautiful features she had. But kung gusto mo lang mag-practice ng pananahe or yung tatahiin mo lang yung mga small DIYs like scrunchies, hankies, necktie, turban, and you have low budget, Edna might be a good choice for you. She's portable, she can sew. I'm just gonna have to explore more on what other things I can make with her. On scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give her 6.7. No, not 6.7. 7. I'm gonna give her 7. In case you're wondering what the finished product looked like, well, here it is.